what I'm saying. Uh-oh, hey! Jumping Jigsaw, Gigalow, son.
Start.
They hate each other, and I like that. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he got on those new breeches I seen at the dollar store. Oh, he speared him. Oh, he's beating the crap dog out of him. Look at that. Uh-oh, he's going up. Don't bust those Santa Claus pants, because you'll get your butt whooped, boy. Hey, Ronald, you stand over there and shut up, or we're going to come over and slap you. Hey, superstar, look at that big boy. Look at the big boy over on the other side of the ring, thinks he's so bad.
I tell you, she does give a new meaning to the word ho, ho, ho.
You know, I'm starting to like Santa Claus. Hey, Slaughter, is that ho-ho or what? Woo! Y'all better shut up. That's what I like. I like it when I watch all that hair go flying out of the ring, Montana. There you go, Charity. He's laying right in front of you, honey. Do the butt dance on him. Spank that nasty dog. Is that how you do it? I cannot believe that your son would want to go up there and hit somebody with a no parking sign, saving his old man because he knows how dried up you are, Montana. You're doing some pretty good stuff in there, though. Look pretty good.
I've been working out over at the nursing home.
Yeah, I can tell. Look at Twitty's back sacking that. Look at there. She's toting her baby. Oh! Beautiful off the top rope elbow by Jigsaw Puzzle. Hey, cameraman, get that ho-ho. Ho, ho-ho. Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming. Come on. Come on, cameraman. Watch what's hanging off the back of Ho-Ho right there. Woo! Oh, go ahead, throw in the towel. Throw the towel in because he's going to break his leg, slap off. I love this, Montana. Wesley, your son's killing him. Stupid is Wesley's son. Can't you tell by the hair? He's got Wesley's hair. Oh! Good night. 20. Throw in the towel. Uh-oh. Jigsaw's going up. He ain't playing. He's dead. He's dead, brother. Here it is. Oh! Oh! Boy, Jigsaw's opened up a fresh can of WA on him, ain't he? Did you get that, cameraman? Because you won't be seeing nothing like this in the Navy while you're drowning. Bart's in the house. Hey! Oh, throw in the towel! Wesley, did you teach him how to do that?
So the Lady Diana threw in the towel?
That's a family tradition.
The winner, Stupid D. Klown.